So if you go into Steam and you see that when you go to the library and you go to, for an example, a game, it says purchase there instead of install for a family sharing game, and you've gone to the Steam setup there, Steam logo, you've clicked on settings, you've clicked on family, and you have everything set up and you have the account enabled on your device. That just means that that specific game does not support family sharing. Okay, and that's a little bit of a downside when it comes to Steam, but some developers don't allow family sharing. So before you actually spend any money on games, what you can do is go to this website. You can type into Google Steam family sharing. So there's also this one here called steamshare.site. Okay, you can click onto this and you just need to verify, and then it'll go through as a success. And then what you can do is you can check a Steam app link or ID. So if you go to Steam, you go to the store and you click on a game, let's just say the Star Wars game right here. If, for an example, I copy that now and I go back here and then click on check, you can see here it says Star Wars Zero Company can be shared via family sharing. So you can go to steamshare.site to just check before you purchase that it does support family sharing, and that's what you can do. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.